There we go.
Today is January 10th, Winter Storm Cora. As you can see, we got a decent amount of snow here in western Arkansas.
And here's our beehive. There's the entrance. Okay, go ahead.
Just have to clear the entrance out.
This is how you clear snow off of your bee's entrance. Because if you don't, they might suffocate, right?
Yeah.
You can tell them.
They might suffocate.
If you don't. There you go. Up top.
Hang on. Let me find that.
The hive tool. Oh, we live here in western Arkansas. I guess you considered Midwestern. Well, western. And there goes the hive tool. We're not supposed to open it. It's too cold. Sugar brick.
Yeah.
Is that good enough?
Yeah. I think our bees are doing good.
In the video, or?
Yeah.
Snow. Chicken house. Okay.